And with me today are a couple ladies from the Florence Sylvester Senior Center. Well, we have one, and you have brought along a guest.
I have.
Shirley is here today, and I'd like to welcome Lori Laporte with Easy Living Home Care. You've been on with us before.
I have.
And you have worked with the Senior Center for quite some time, and
Yes.
you were working with them again coming up about casino night. Am I right?
We are. Lori and her company are one of our major sponsors at Casino Night, and Easy Living Home Care has been such a great supporter of the Florence Sylvester that we're just pleased with Lori and thank her very much and her company for helping us out. Casino Night, September 29th, it's coming up. We've been talking about this for a while, and all of a sudden it's here.
It is.
It's here. So September 29th at 6 o'clock at the Senior Center.
And you know what? It's a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun.
And of course, it raises good funds for you.
That's,
folks.
the whole purpose is to raise some money for the Senior Center and for our programs. And so thank you, Lori, and your company for helping us out.
It's a lot of fun.
It's $25 for a ticket. You get $100 play money when you come in. And of course, you can buy more play money as the night goes on. We have food and refreshments and great raffle prizes. We just got a 70-inch color flat screen donated.
Wow.
So that's going to be one of the prizes, and I want to win that.
No, you can't.
Oh, that's right. I can't win.
You're not eligible.
That's right.
You're not eligible to win.
I can't win.
So I know, Lori, that the Senior Center, they work with a lot of different folks, and one of the things is they really look at them carefully, they can vet them, and they're not going to work with someone or bring anyone on board to sponsor things like this unless they know that they're good quality organization. So what are some of the things that you folks do?
Well, we're non-medical in-home care. So what we do is we go into the home and we enable the seniors to stay in their home. We help with bathing, we help with meal prep, light housekeeping. We take seniors on errands, we take them to doctor's appointments, whatever they need in order to keep them in their home where they're the happiest.
Oh,
and they're
very
with
nice.
their things and their pets and
So is it
they're
something, if it's need be, it could be daily or once a week or?
We do
as
daily,
needed? Okay.
we do hourly.
Okay.
Whenever they need it, we go there to help.
Sounds like something I want. I'm going to talk to you later.
Yeah. We're even there for companionship. Some of the seniors are in their home by
That's
themselves.
true.
They don't have family. They're lonely. So we'll come in and we're their family.
Yeah, that's very nice. And to help them out if they need to go places as well?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
that's a big help. And for a lot of seniors, they may be fine in their home, but they don't drive anymore, and they may not have family nearby. So to have that companionship and be able to go somewhere they may not want to, do an Uber thing or something like that, it gives them a nice option.
For sure, and we become their family. The seniors, some of them are very resistant to us coming in. They don't need the help. Nope, I'm fine.
Right.
But, once we start going there, they're calling me, where's my caregiver? Well, they don't come today, they come tomorrow, but they really look forward to the companionship and the caregivers coming to see them.
Yeah, very good. And again, I know you've worked with the Florence Sylvester for quite some time. And other programs that you have coming up, we still have the months of September at least.
We do. Half of September is what happened to August.
I know.
Flew by.
I know.
It's crazy. I just want to tell people, yesterday we had the district attorney's office come to the senior center and do a seminar on seniors and fraud, and it was very well attended, and it was just great. We are a great resource for this community. So please pick up our newsletter and find out what's going on at the senior center. We have lunch every single day at 11:30 to 12:30 for a $4.50 donation, and a great Meals on Wheels program, and just a lot of resources for this community.
Yeah, and in fact on this page here, the programs and services. And here again, you list all the different things, even electronics assistance.
That's right. We have people coming in to help you with your iPad and your iPhone, and they've had to kick me out of that class many times because my name's always at the front of the list.
I think they have, but not only that, holiday special events where we're getting into that season of different holidays, and you folks offer so many different things. And I always tell everyone, the key is to sign up early. A lot of the stuff is free, But especially this
Yeah,
time of the year, as we get to the fall and December and all, it fills up very quickly.
And we're very proud of our driver's resource room that
Yeah.
we've had at the center for many years. We're the first senior center in California to have this program.
Oh, very nice.
And we're hopefully going to start working with the DMV and getting a little bit better connection with them, and maybe having somebody come over from the DMV and help work at the senior center. We have great volunteers who will help you study for your tests, and we even have a couple volunteers who will go out, because the seniors, when they have to go to Orange, when they've been summoned that there's a problem, a couple of our seniors will go with them to hold their hands and get them through the process. So, so we're expanding our driver's room. So it's a huge thing, especially now that the lines are so long at the DMV, you know, with that new Real ID card that you need to have. So we're helping seniors walk through some process. So,
so that's another great resource. And as you know, as you mentioned, the meals, the lunches every day, they put the menu if you pick up one of these. And now, for the lunches, do people need to sign up in advance or just
normally
show up?
a couple days in advance, but normally we have extra food and you can just come on in.
Yeah, and it's $4.50 donation.
It's $4.50 donation, right?
It's fantastic.
We're, you know, the senior center is very unusual for a senior center. We're a nonprofit with Agewell Senior Services, so of course we depend on donations to keep our doors open, so we can have great programs like this. So come on down, see what we have to offer, and help us out.
All right, and then again, Casino Night is the 29th.
29th.
And that is something that you can buy in advance, or you can get at the door.
You could buy a ticket at the door, or come in advance, and it's a great night. But the most important part is that it helps the senior center.
Yeah, it does. Very good. Thank you. Nice for you to come on again, Lori.
Thank you.
And thank you for helping the senior center.
It's a pleasure.
And Casino Night, and you got to watch out for her.
That's right. Or roll the dice.
Yeah, she doesn't know when to stop. All right. Good to see you both.
Nice to see you.
We'll be right back.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got to do.
Mama used to